Hello, beautiful people. Welcome. That's the wrong timer. Did it work or not? It's stuck, it's frozen again. Damn it. I wonder how, I wonder how. Okay, I'll try to reload this page and we'll see. Again. Why? Why? Maybe I can clear cache and shit like that. Maybe that will help. It's just frozen. Cannot even reload. No. And I cannot close it either. Interesting. If I do typing IO now, open it in new type, maybe now it will work. was here, I think. Oh, well, never mind. We're out of time, which means we are done with this, and we will choose randomly what we will be doing next. That is here. And we'll do this, and it is Java tutorial. Alright, alright. So we'll do Java. Oh, come on. Java playground. This window. Is faster than it was previously. Not complaining at all. Update, oh, later. Later, boy, later. And we have a progress in here, I see. And next time is measuring elapsed time. Alright. We can do that, definitely. Oh, fuck. I don't want this. And this. Go, go, go. Maybe there are more applications which I can close. Quit. 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 Oh, whatever. Generated time, and here it was measuring. Measuring elapsed time. Alright. Da-da-da. This here. This one will go away. Okay. We have a date and time. If I go down. Measuring elapsed time. This is what I did. Right, maybe I didn't finish it. Okay, so this is alongside. Look, this looks finished to me. It also looks slow to me. Maybe if I record it in lower resolution, that will be better. Or I should run the OBS in the in the administrator mode. I think could help. Maybe. Oh no, looks like completed it. I can have a look in the look. Date and time chapter complete. Alright, so the MD progress was lying. Lying. Alright, so never mind. We will go here. Let's skip this shit. And next thing will be here. And then we'll start a timer. Regular expressions, cool. Oh, this one I started. Okay, Java provides the Java utility regex package for pattern matching with regular expressions. Java regular expressions are very similar to Perl programming language and very easy to learn. Regular expression is a special sequence of characters that helps you match or find other strings or sets of strings using a specialized syntax held in pattern. They can be used to search, edit, or manipulate text and data. Java util regex package primarily consists of the following three classes: pattern matcher and pattern syntax. And one of them could be only created through another one, I think. Well, pattern object is a compiled representation of a regular expression. Okay. The pattern class provides no public constructors. To create the pattern, you must first invoke one of its public static compile methods. So I have a compile which is overloaded, which will then return a pattern object. These methods accept a regular expression as the first argument. It's boring, boring. I feel impatient. Matcher class. A matcher object is the engine that interprets the pattern and performs match operation against an input string, like the pattern class. Matcher defines no public constructors. You obtain matcher object by going blah, blah, blah. I completely skipped it. So the first one is the representation of the regex and the expression, and I have to do the compile on the pattern, and I will get representation of the regular expression, and the matcher object is the engine that interprets the pattern and performs match operation against an input string, like the pattern class. Matcher defines no public constructors. I know matcher method on pattern. On pattern has a matcher. Okay. Matcher method. Okay. Pattern syntax exception. Unchecked exception that indicates syntax error in regular expression pattern. Okay, so I don't write it correctly. Regular expression. Well, all right. Capturing groups. Capturing groups are a way to thread multiple characters as a single unit. They are created by placing characters to be grouped inside a set of parentheses. For example, regular expression dog means dog. Create single group containing letters D, O, and G. Capturing groups are numbered by counting their opening parentheses from left to right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 such groups. So the entire thing, the A, B, C, and C. Alright, to find out how many groups are present in the expression, oh, they said it. We call the GraphCon method on each expression, call the group count method on a matcher object. The group count method returns an int showing the number of capturing groups represented in the matcher's pattern. There is also a special group, 0, which always represents the entire expression. This group is not included in the total reported by group count. Example, following example illustrates how to find a digit string from the given alphanumeric string. How to find a digit string from the given alphanumeric string. Okay, so we have this thing, and I think I coded this already. That's okay. So here I'll try to remember it. So we have a string. That's the line where we will search it. Then we have the pattern, and both of those are strings. The pattern is like we have 3 groups. This is the wildcard, right? This means any characters, and the star means any number of it. Then we have, this is the D stands for a digit. These two here are as escaped characters, because if I write D only, it will think that we are searching for letter D. And if we do // D, it means we are searching for a number, which means 0 to 9. The plus here, that stands, it has to be there 1 or more times. And then we continue with 0 or more another characters. Doesn't matter. So I wonder, because the dot stands for the character for the digit as well, I believe. So well, this should find like all of them. Like this is like this entire line, right? And then found value. There's a group 1, group 0, group 1, group 2. So so we compile, we create a pattern object. So we say pattern compile, and then from that we have the matcher. We create a matcher from the line. I should not think of my ex-girlfriend. That doesn't help with my study. Pattern R, so we compile the pattern compile, and we get some pattern. Alright. And then we have the matcher. So patterns first, and we have a matcher, and we put in the line. Okay. And then we call if find, which will return a boolean. So we call find on it, just without anything. Okay. And then we have the the find, I guess, will do something with it. And we say group 0, 1, 2. Okay, so if this returns something, we will get those. Elsewhere we don't. And okay, I see. So this is this is 1, 2, 3. So there will be like the entire thing that is a 0, and this would be 1, and this would be 2. The first is this, then the group 1, So I thought, of 4 such groups. Okay, so there should be I think, or if I provide another parenthesis, then I will get another group. So this would be 0, 1, 2. Okay, so the star and something that is all. Ah, I see. No, I don't, I don't. This looks like it took the group 0, took this. This means like whatever here. Then group 1 looks like it took this. Now like anything and then some digits and stop there, but there's missing this 1, 0. And then there is like this entire thing. How does that work? Alright, so I will try to code it, and maybe then I will understand it. Now we will test if I will remember how to do that. So I have here capturing groups, and I will definitely delete all of those without looking at it. Okay, so first we have a string which will be the line, and that will be something hello, hello. Here is some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and some text again, like so. Then we will have the this will be also string, and this will be the regex, and that will be a string, and here we will have a arbitrary number of some characters. Then we will have the digit, so it will be like this, and we want at least one, and that will be plus sign, and arbitrary number of anything again. Okay, so we have that. Then the first thing which we want to do is the pattern. So I will say that was pattern compile, I think. Compile, and we will put in the regex. Regex, yeah. I will extract it to a variable, and it will be, we'll have it as a pattern. And then we want to do the matcher, which was something like the pattern dot matcher, and we will match it on the line, right? And this was also yeah, so this will be a matcher, and then here was the if statement. So I will do if and matcher, and there was a dot find, yeah. And if it got something, we will print out the 3 groups. So I will do south, and I will say group I will just say it like this. It will be, I think, matcher dot, there will be group, and we'll say 0, and this I will make 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. this was not there, but I wonder what it will do. And if it doesn't find anything else, we will say nothing was found. Alright, then I will run it and see what it will do. Hmm. I don't know how it works. So the first one, that is like the entire thing. Then it takes this except for the last digit. That would be how that works. How that works. Because I would assume that this in here would match to the entire 1, 2, 3, 1 through 6. But it apparently does not. It matches only to 1 through 5. Then we have group 2. No, this has to be like the entire thing. Okay, I don't get it right now. But I can play with it in here, and that is I can add more parentheses like so, and I wonder if that will change. So first I have all of it, and then I have the shorter one, and so on. So let's go. I wonder if that will change the result or if it will be the same. And it did change. So now I think the parentheses which I have highlighted right now, that's the first line. Then I think this is the second line. Then this would be the third line, or no, it looks more like some combination of this. Well, by the example with first, like this would be the first group, this would be the second group, or this would be the 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2. That doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense, and I want to know how it works. So this will. Alright. Okay, so this matches beginning of the line, matches end of the line, matches any single character. This is a dot. Except new line using M. Option allows it to match the new line as well. Matches any single character in brackets. Matches any single character not in brackets. Beginning of the entire string. Okay. End of the entire string. Those I don't know. This is uppercase and this is lowercase, and this uppercase Z. End of the entire string except allowable final line terminator. I don't know what that is. Matches 0 or more occurrences of preceding expression. Yeah, so that is RE would be the expression. Is there like... Matches one or more previous thing, matches 0 or 1 occurrences. Then we have this matches exactly n number of occurrences, both preceding exception expression, like the expression here is the RE. Matches n or more occurrences. This is matches at least n and at most m concurrences of preceding. Matches either A or B. Groups regular expression and remembers the matched text. Groups regular expression without remembering the matched text. Okay. Matches the independent pattern without backtracking. I don't know what that means. Word, non-word, white space, non-white space. So the uppercase is like not the opposite. So this is the beginning of the end of string. So the normal A is the end of the string, or Z is the end of the. Okay, it doesn't really work that way in here. D is digit, non-digit. A beginning of the string, Z end of the string. So end of the string. G matches the point where at least match finished. And back reference to capture group number. Ah, so slash and number will be back reference to it. Matches the word boundaries. And outside the bracket matches the backspace. P matches non-word. And T is to match new lines, carriages, returns, tabs. Escape, quote. All characters up to E. Ends quoting. Methods of the matcher class. Okay. There's nowhere is explained where. Okay, so we'll say that we did capturing groups in here. So we'll go to the progress. And oh no, I did not mean to do this. Alright, oh come on. Here we go. Job, come on. Paste. Okay. Expression. Where did it go? For the fuck's sake. Yeah, so this one will go here. Yeah, now it should work. And it will be not measuring the extended time, but we will say we'll say capturing groups. So this will be regular expressions that I did as well. So we will say method of the matcher class. Like, oh fuck. Like so, okay. So, and now we will do commit. And we will say here in progress. And this will say Java regular expressions. Java regular expressions. Operations in progress. Git commit. Committing takes also forever. What is this? Cancel. Oh, that's a stop sign. Looks like a thick box a little bit. What is this? Self something synchronize plugins, whatever. And this guy over here says that we are over the time limit, which means we are done. That is better than perfect, and I'll see you next time. Bye.